The Blueprint Bazaar Bottle Cap is a meticulously designed crown-style cap, similar to those found on glass Coca-Cola and Pepsi bottles, created with precision using SolidWorks. This cap is specifically engineered for airtight sealing, tamper resistance, and brand visibility, making it an ideal choice for carbonated beverages, juices, and other bottled drinks that require a secure and long-lasting seal. The design adheres to industry-standard dimensions, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of glass bottlenecks while maintaining the necessary hermetic seal to preserve freshness and carbonation. The cap features a circular, slightly domed top, which is both aesthetically pleasing and structurally reinforced to withstand the high-pressure forces exerted by carbonation inside the bottle. The surface of the cap prominently displays the Blueprint Bazaar logo, embossed using precision extrude features in SolidWorks. This embossing process ensures that the branding remains clear, distinct, and resistant to fading or wear over time. The edges of the cap are crimped in a standard 21-tooth pattern, a crucial design element that provides a secure grip around the bottleneck when sealed using an industrial capping machine. These crimped edges are modeled in SolidWorks using advanced surface modeling and forming tools, replicating real-world manufacturing techniques to ensure an accurate representation of the final product. The carefully designed indentations in the crimped section help the cap lock firmly onto the bottle, preventing leakage and loss of carbonation, while also allowing for easy removal with a bottle opener. The interior of the cap is designed to accommodate a food-grade liner, typically made of PVC-free plastic or thermoplastic elastomer, TPE, which is modeled as a separate component within SolidWorks to allow for material-specific simulations and modifications. This liner plays a critical role in creating a perfect seal against the bottle's rim, preventing gas escape in carbonated beverages while simultaneously acting as a protective barrier against external contaminants. The liner is designed with a slight concavity, ensuring uniform pressure distribution upon sealing, which enhances the bottle's ability to retain carbonation and liquid integrity over an extended period. Additionally, the liner can be customized for different levels of pressure retention, making it suitable for both high carbonation beverages like soft drinks and beers, as well as non-carbonated liquids such as juices and flavored waters. To further enhance the durability and performance of the cap, it is designed for mass production through stamping and crimping processes, ensuring that each cap maintains precise dimensional accuracy and consistency across high-volume manufacturing runs. The cap is intended to be manufactured using tin-plated steel or aluminum, both of which provide exceptional corrosion resistance, strength, and lightweight properties. The SolidWorks model incorporates real-world material properties, allowing engineers to perform stress analysis and structural simulations to test the cap's resistance to deformation during sealing, transportation, and consumer use. By simulating real-world forces and pressure conditions, the design ensures that the cap maintains its structural integrity even under high-speed production line conditions, where thousands of units are formed, printed, and crimped per hour. Another essential feature of this cap is its customization options, which allow for various branding techniques to be applied to the top surface. The Blueprint Bazaar logo can be engraved, embossed, or screen printed, with additional options for single-color or multicolor lithographic printing, a common technique in the beverage packaging industry. The outer surface of the cap is coated with a protective enamel layer, which serves multiple functions. It enhances the aesthetic appeal, prevents corrosion, and protects the printed or embossed branding from scratches, moisture exposure, and temperature fluctuations. This protective coating ensures that the cap remains visually appealing and maintains its branding quality even after extended periods of storage, transportation, and handling. Beyond its aesthetic and functional qualities, the cap is designed with practical usability in mind. The crimped edges allow for a secure grip when removed using a standard bottle opener, preventing excessive force from being required, which could lead to spillage or damage to the glass bottle. The uniformity of the crimp pattern also ensures that each cap deforms in a controlled manner during removal, reducing the risk of sharp edges that could cause injury. The precisely engineered crimping pattern and liner thickness contribute to an optimal opening experience, maintaining a balance between secure sealing and ease of use. The Blueprint Bazaar Bottle Cap is designed to provide exceptional versatility, allowing for seamless integration into various production processes. The ability to modify parameters such as cap dimensions, material properties, liner thickness, and branding details ensures that manufacturers can tailor the cap to meet the specific needs of their products. Whether adjusting the crimp pattern to accommodate different bottleneck diameters or refining the embossed logo for enhanced visual appeal, the parametric flexibility of the SolidWorks model significantly reduces design time while ensuring precision and consistency across manufacturing runs. This level of customization is particularly advantageous for businesses that produce multiple product lines, as it allows for quick adaptations to market demands without requiring extensive tooling modifications. This adaptability is particularly beneficial for rapid prototyping and large-scale manufacturing, as manufacturers can efficiently adjust cap specifications based on customer requirements, regulatory compliance, or production constraints without the need for a complete redesign. The SolidWorks model enables quick iteration cycles, allowing engineers to refine the design through 3D printing or CNC machining for prototype validation before committing to mass production. By utilizing this approach, companies can identify potential design flaws early in the development process, reducing material waste, production costs, and time to market for new products. This ensures that the final version of the cap maintains the highest standards of sealing performance, structural integrity, and aesthetic appeal. Furthermore, the model is fully compatible with advanced simulation tools, enabling engineers to test for seal integrity, deformation resistance, and performance under real-world conditions before transitioning to full-scale production. Finite element analysis, FEA, simulations can be performed within SolidWorks to evaluate how the cap responds to pressure differentials, temperature variations, and mechanical stress during transportation and handling. Additionally, computational fluid dynamics, CFD, simulations can help assess how the internal liner interacts with different liquid compositions, ensuring optimal sealing and product preservation. These advanced testing methods eliminate the need for extensive physical trials, allowing manufacturers to refine the cap design with a high degree of confidence before committing to expensive production runs. In addition to beverage packaging, this crown-style bottle cap design can be utilized in other industries that require airtight and tamper-proof sealing, such as pharmaceutical packaging, craft beverage industries, and specialty food products. The ability to provide secure sealing against contaminants and maintain product freshness makes it an excellent choice for medicinal syrups, essential oils, and premium food condiments that require hermetic protection. Its robust construction and precise engineering make it suitable for both industrial-scale manufacturing and artisanal bottling processes, ensuring that it meets quality, safety, and regulatory standards across different markets. The Blueprint Bazaar Bottle Cap, meticulously designed in SolidWorks, embodies the perfect combination of engineering precision, functional reliability, and brand identity. Its crimped, tamper-resistant design ensures secure sealing for carbonated drinks, while its customizable logo and branding options allow businesses to enhance their visual appeal and market presence.